Okay guys, so making some progress on this fuel tank mount, which is my own design. So basically this fuel tank, as I discussed, is attached here with these two screws. So my kind of plan is I made this little back plate that's gonna go and be glued to the tank like that, right? And then there's gonna be a lip that will come, you know, like that out, and that's gonna have the two holes aligned to these two holes here. And then on the bottom of this mounting plate, I'm gonna have two, what do you call them? I forgot what they're called. They're the little locking nuts that go on the bottom. These things. These guys. So I'm gonna have two of these on the bottom so that these screws go all the way in and mount on that. So yeah, get back to work. Okay guys, fuel tank is finally finished. Here is the mount that I made. Here's the front part, and here's the front part actually of the mount. Here's the screw hole, here's the rear part. I have that taped off, but you can see the two screw holes in the back. Yeah, so I'm going to now install this in the jet. And also, this is the inside of my clunk with 8mm Viton and safety wire. So, back to work. All right guys, so I have all of my plumbing hooked up and safety wired in. Here's my vent line. I actually put the vent fitting right here. This is the flush fitting from DreamWorks, from AeroPanda, that goes with their taxi tank as well. So pretty nice. Yeah, so then I have Festo line from tank to UAT. Here's my fill line, which is just Tygon. And then from UAT to pump is another Festo. This is 6mm, this is 8mm. And then of course from the pump, I've got my line all the way to the engine. This is, I have not cut to length yet, and neither have I with the fill line. I'll have to just install it and see. So one of the nice things about having a big jet like this, as you can see, there's a lot of room in there. So I can just install this. I like to just build this whole thing, plumb it all before I put it in, and I can just feed everything in, bolt everything down, and I just get good access. When it's outside like this, I can get good access to all the fittings and make sure I do a really good job at the safety wire, which is very important to do. I'm not going to get into how to properly do safety wire. There's a lot of different tutorials on that. So, all right, here we go. Let's put it in the jet.